All right, good afternoon, guys. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on the Scholar side of things on Google Classroom, how to upload images to an assignment. So we're going to use this past assignment, the sketch assignment, and I'm going to show you how you can upload your sketches to Google Classroom. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on the classwork tab. So click on that. The next thing that you're going to see is you're going to see this button that says view assignment. Okay, so what I want you to go ahead and do is click view assignment. You're going to then get sent to this page right here. Once you do that, you're going to click the add or create button so that will add in the picture to create your assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit add or create. If you uploaded it from a picture from your phone, it's probably on your computer, so you probably need to click file. And what you're going to select is select files from your device. Okay, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to go to desktop. I'm going to type in the title of the piece and I'm going to add it right here. And right here it shows that right there is going to now be uploaded to Google Classroom for my assignment. Okay, and what this is going to look like is once that gets uploaded right here, you can see that it's loading. This right here will show that I have now completely added my sketch, and then I'm going to hit turn in. Okay, when you're going to see this, you're going to say, are you sure that you want to turn this in? You say yes, turn this in, and what this is going to allow me to do is now I will be able to see this, and I will be able to see that you are able to, and I'll be able to comment and give feedback and give you your score and return it to you so you guys can see what you guys got on your sketch. And this will also allow me here, so if I want to add any private comments, I can say, I had a question about the theme. You can send this, and this will immediately send me a private conversation that I can then give you this right here. So I want you for this next drawing, I want you to try your best to turn it into Google Classroom.